Okay, hi. It is I don't know. I think about 2 a.m. now. Yeah, I just went to Mustafa to help Melanie buy some hairspray and thought that I should walk back home or something like that from Little India. Yeah. Because I already know that there isn't any bus and I wanted it to be an adventure. Yep. My mom is probably worried. My phone is now like 9% left. Yeah, but I got off it, switch it to flight mode because I want to take the photos, and yeah, I already let her know already, so I'll make it back home real safe. And this is what I want to do. It's an adventure, and yes, it is, yeah, still taxis, and I'm very reluctant to pay for any cab fare, so walking home, training myself. Yep. And yeah, May, if you ever watch this video, don't be guilty, because this is what I want to do. Train myself to trek around Europe. Alright, take care. I'm still left with 6.7 kilometers. Yeah, it's about 12.7, but it's more than that because of the curve construction, and I'm going to walk to her house to give her this. Yeah, yeah. Alright, yes, she's my crush and my main. Yeah, and yeah, she looks like Joanne, but yeah, trying to, okay, shit, talk too much. Okay, bye.